harbors its own weather. Predators and prey must keep on the move. If they want to avoid the worst, these mountains can throw at them. Sheltered by the granite spires and surrounding peaks, many of the slopes are free from snow, making travel much easier. The female puma moves with determination, but she isn't hunting, or at least not for food. A male puma. Females can come into heat at any time of year. Her pheromones signal she's ready to breed. They'll now spend a week together, mating many times a day. Before going their separate ways, endlessly roaming the slopes of this vast landscape.